Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can cash out or withdraw your balance from StarPets. So if you have sold your items on the platform and you want to transfer your earnings to your payment account, I will walk you through the process step by step. So first of all, you need to log in into your StarPets account and make sure that you have available balance that is eligible for withdrawal. So your balance detail will be shown over here on the top. So it is going to show you your available balance. Now, once you have the balance available, you just have to simply click on your profile icon on the top right hand corner of the screen. And here you will find the option of cash out. So when you click on the option of cash out, you are going to see the withdrawal amount that is available for cash out. Plus here will be some of the options with the help of which you can basically cash out the amount. So we have a bunch of different options like Visa, in the PayPal, in form of USD. So in the right hand section, you just have to simply enter the amount that you want to cash out. After that, you just have to simply select you will pay and you are going to receive. And the withdrawals are going to take around 5 to 7 days and the commission is zero as of right now. So you need to provide these details, then click on the option of I accept the terms and conditions and then click on the option of cash out. Now you need to follow further on screen instructions in order to basically successfully send your request of the cash out, and within 5 to 7 business days you are going to get your money in your preferable account that you have selected. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.